Welcome back everybody. So today we're going to be talking about the top apps that can instantly up your Instagram game. So it's 2020, Instagram has never been bigger. Because of the virus, everything is cancelled or delayed. Everyone's rushing online trying to brand themselves so as to reach out to more people non-physically. Today I'm going to give you some tips as to which apps that you can download to use to up your Instagram game. Now before we proceed, if you like the videos that I've been doing so far, a sub to the channel would be great. Alright, now let's go. So first thing, Instagram is a place where people are looking for beautiful photos, and in order to take beautiful photos, you're gonna have a small and compact sized camera with you always to take those beautiful moments. The Huawei P40 Pro is one of the best smartphone cameras, if not the best smartphone cameras that you can get in 2020. You should have heard that all the new Huawei devices have replaced the Google Play Store with their very own app gallery. The app gallery is constantly being updated with new apps every day, but by now you would have found that most of your favorite apps are already available in it. Alright, so now without further ado, let's proceed to the 5 apps that I'm gonna talk to you guys about today. So Lightroom is being used by most photographers to do their editing. I like to use it on my mobile device because it's super easy to use, and there are specific tools that I like to use from it, like selective editing and also selective color adjustments. You can do lots of professional adjustments just by using your phone. Some people prefer to use it on their desktop, but I really like it to use it on my phone because I like to be on the go. And the second app would be Canva. Why is Canva good? Because Canva has so many templates for every single kind of content that you want to put out there, be it designing a simple logo, be it curating a very nice Instagram story, photos or videos inside. You can even create simple carousel posts or posters inside. The templates are nearly 60 over 1,000 templates, and there are lots of nice fonts. It's really simple to use and the templates are simply beautiful. And number 3 is Snow. Maybe you guys know Snow as one of the apps that girls like to use for beauty filters and stuff like that, but I really like to use Snow because firstly, there are many nice video filters that you can use. So for example, if I'm at a park and I want to take a short videos, just a small collage of things that I see, Snow is the app that I will go for because I simply can continuously take different shots, pausing in between and posting that as one single video afterwards. It is great for coming up with content for Insta Story, especially event coverage or maybe simple unboxing videos. Number 4, it's InShot. InShot is a super easy to use video editor for your mobile phone. For example, if you have taken some videos throughout the days while running errand and you want to put it together as maybe a Instagram TV post, you can actually just edit it on your phone if you don't have your laptop with you, and you can upload it just like this. And the last app is Pixaloop. So simply to put it, Pixaloop is a photo animator. It can change your static photo to add some animation inside, maybe to emphasize on certain aspects of the photo, maybe like moving waves or let's say smoke coming up from your coffee cup. It's really easy to use and you will probably only take like 5 minutes to figure it out. So for those of you who paused the video and went to app gallery to look for the app and you realize that not all of the apps are available inside, wait. Before you start complaining and tell me how big of a hassle it is to go online and look for the APKs yourself, I have the perfect solution for you. I'm happy to share with you that Huawei has came up with a new solution for this. It's called the Petal Search. So Petal Search is a new app. Once you tap on it, you will enter the app, tap on search, and the top local apps will automatically be displayed. You will find that most of the daily essential apps to be in here, but if you're looking for a specific app that is not available in the app gallery yet, all you have to do is search for it and install. With Petal Search, you no longer have to go online and look for the APKs yourself. Maybe some of the apps actually on the website looks a bit dodgy, so maybe you don't want to do that. Petal Search will eliminate all of those problems with you, and you can have smooth app downloads every single time. So that's all from me today. These are the few apps that I would recommend you guys to download right now and try it out if you want to improve on your Instagram game. Well, in the first place, you have probably clicked on this video because you already have intentions to improve on your Instagram. So I hope that this video helps you. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, leave a comment in down below on what video should I do next. I will be covering on more phones, some keyboards, some earphones. I have a whole lot of stuff coming to you guys. So remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hello.